It's story time today, children. Once there was a kangaroo called Kim. Kim loved to play with her kite. One sunny day, Kim was playing with her kite and it got stuck in the tree. Kim was feeling so sad, she didn't know what to do. Mr. Koala was walking by and he saw Kim. He asked her, "Are you okay, Kim?" Kim replied, "No, Mr. Koala, I'm feeling sad because my kite got caught in the tree." "Don't worry," said Mr. Koala, "I will climb the tree and get your kite." Mr. Koala got the kite from the tree. "Yippee!" said Kim. "Thank you so much, Mr. Koala." That's the end of our story. Do you know how many words in the story began with the sound k? Write them in the comments. See you later, children.